Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Elite Study Classes. In this video I am going to find roots of quadratic equation by using this Calsi. Before going to that, I will solve that same problem on this paper, and after that I will try that same problem on this. Right? I will take the problem, that is x square minus 9x plus 18 equal to 0. Now x square 3x minus 6x plus 18 equal to 0. Right? For that x common, x minus 3, 6 common, x minus 6, sorry 3, x minus 3, x minus 6 equal to 0. X equal to 3 comma 6. Therefore we got these values, that is 3 comma 6, there, that is the roots of this equation. That same problem I will solve by this Calci. First of all we need to press mode, and you can clearly see here 5, that is equations, that is 5. Now we go with third number, that is quadratic equation with the square. Right, we go now assign the values, that is coefficients of this equation, that is 1, x square coefficient is 1, and press equal to, and x coefficient is minus 9, now press equal to, and constant is 18 and press equal to. Now again press equal to for getting these values of roots. Right, 6, we have got 6, and x2 is 3, that is 3. And after this, if we press AC button, you will get this kind of interface. To remove this, you need to simply press mode and 1, you can get this plain screen. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe it and press the bell icon for the latest updates.